Mason Margiela when I'm walking with a bitch. Gucci, Gucci, Gucci kept me flossing on a bitch.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy O back with another video. Fresh for Less is the channel. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe so I can keep the videos coming. But today, I'm about to show y'all my latest pickups and probably my last pickups of the year, 2018. Y'all should see the boxes. Y'all should already know what's going on, what y'all about to see. Let's get into these first. Once again, box is crazy. Crazy. I did a review on the blue pair a few weeks ago. So y'all know the black pair was coming next. Even though the blue pair is still my favorite, these are fire also. In my opinion, one of the best collabs of the year. More fire than Off-Whites to me, my opinion. Jordan 1 Union, LA. Y'all see this tag on the side, Union LA. Baseball stitching, man. That yellowish outline. Suede Nike sign. Quality is amazing. I even like that off-white looking look at the bottom. You can see the difference in the whites. Crazy. My favorite part is still the shoestrings. Like I said on the blue pair. I love that two-tone shoestring, man. Hang tag. Say Union on it. Man, these is too crazy, man. So Jordan on the inside of that one. Union on the inside of theirs. Red bottoms. Soft leather. Got the extra laces. Me personally, I cannot wait to see it with these in it. I love this color. And I think it's just going to look so crazy. It's going to blend in with that and the outline. It's going to look crazy. Got an extra pair of these laces as well. Shoe paper, like the blueprint. Give a little idea of how the shoe was created, thrown together. That's what the look they was going for, that thrown together look. That's why you got like the stitching in the middle. These different colors. Look how smooth that Nike sign is. Suede. So that's the first and last pickup of the year. Now let's get to these babies. Shoe I've been waiting on. Shoe I know everybody's been waiting on, really. I had the lows. It's my first time having these ones. I got rid of the lows because I knew I was going to get these no matter what. 45 on the back. It's not stitched, but, you know, whatever. I'd rather they've been stitched. Nike on the inside. That patent leather and white. This shoe just so clean. It's that shoe you're going to throw on with anything. Icy bottoms. Look at the box. That OG look. No slide out box for these, folks. That OG box. Nike Air on the side. Retail on these was $220. Retail on the Union was $190. Union box is crazy as well. I'll give y'all a tour. Quick little tour. MJ, different shoes. You know what I'm saying? The twos. A little artwork. The best box of the year, too. Best shoe of the year, best box of the year. Goes to y'all. But that's it, guys. Thanks for checking out this video out. My new pickups. Closing out 2018 good. It was a good year for sneakers. Remember to hit like, comment, subscribe, that notification bell. I'll holler at y'all.